Hey guys, have you ever thought of what functions are in Python? Well, functions are a set of organized, reusable code that we can use to perform specific tasks in Python. Today we're going to go through a little bit on functions so we can get a clear view on how to use it in our code. So quickly we're going to go through the functions in Python. So now we're going to be making use of the keyword def. So we have def. And you're going to name that function. We're going to name our function sum, or let's name it mixtech. Then we're going to use brackets, open bracket, close bracket. You know that. So we have column, and then we now have inside our function. Now we've successfully created our function, but we need to put a set of programs inside it, organized programs, so we're going to put name1 equal to Samuel. In that place now I want you to put your name there. So we have Samuel, and we want to still print out our program now. So we have print name1 . Now if we run this program now, it will not print out name1. What do you think will happen? Leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, so now let's run this program. Nothing happens. Do you know why nothing happened? Because when you create a function, you have to be able to call that function. So what we're going to do now is we're going to call the function. To call a function, you have to call it from outside the encapsulation. So that is, we call the function mixtech. So we type mixtech, and we do two brackets, open bracket, close, and then we run our program. So in our program here, it still didn't show. I think it didn't print because I didn't save it. When you don't save your program, it runs the previous program that you were running before this one that you newly did. So we saved it, and then we ran it, and we have Samuel down here. Right down here. So we want to also put age 34. We want to print that with our yes, I want to print that. So we put a plus and age. So right now this should print somewhere 34. Okay, when dealing with data types, you can't add a string and an int together. So right here we're going to use the string function to convert the age that is in integer to string. So here we run the program. It shows Samuel 34. We want to give it a little space. Right here we'll come here, gives a little space, one space, and run. We have Samuel 34. So that's it for this program for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.